This is the part where most media buyers fail, and it's the hardest part of managing Facebook ads. In the beginning, we're in learning phase, and the ads have only been running for 3 days. You can see here that the leads are at a less than ideal cost per result. However, Facebook needs a minimum of 5 days to optimize the ads. And the biggest mistake that I see people make is they turn ads off way too early because they get scared. There's something called loss aversion. So they get scared and they want to turn them off. The trick here is to steal your mindset to know that you're going to lose money and this is going to be the most expensive your ads are ever going to be. So you have to let them run for enough time to allow the algorithm to optimize it. As you get more advanced, you will learn the exceptions to this, but the general rule is let them run and allow the algorithm to optimize. I hope this is helpful.